All right, it says that Katie budgets $520 each month for living expenses. She nets $1,024 semi-monthly. What percent of her net monthly income does she budget for living expenses? All right, so again, this question looks like it'd be pretty straightforward, but what we have to do is there's a couple of steps here. All right, so Katie budgets $520 each month for living expenses. She nets $1,024 semi-monthly. So we need to figure out how much she makes monthly. So her net monthly income equals the net semi-monthly times the number of pay periods. Whoops. There we go. All right, so her net monthly income is going to be 1,024 times the number of pay periods per month. Well, if you get paid semi-monthly, you get paid twice per month. So I'm going to multiply that times 2 to find that she makes $2,048 per month. Okay? So now, remember, anytime we want to find the percent of something, we're going to divide the part by the whole. Part by whole. So in this case, we're going to do living expenses divided by monthly income. So her living expenses are $520 per month. She brings home $2,048 per month. So her the percent that of her income that she spends on living expenses is going to be 520 divided by 2,048. And then I get a decimal number. I get 0.2539. I want to change that to a percent. I multiply by 100 or just move this 2 decimal places. So I find that she spends approximately 25% of her monthly income on her living expenses. Hope that helps.